Imagine diving deeper than the height of the world's tallest skyscraper into the heart of our planet. Today, we're exploring the 10 deepest caves on Earth. These aren't just holes in the ground. They're gateways to mysterious worlds, home to extraordinary ecosystems and geological marvels. Join me on this thrilling journey as we uncover what lies within these deep, dark wonders. Ready to be amazed? Number 1. Krubera Cave. Krubera Cave, also known as Wot-U-Got Cave, takes the crown as the deepest cave on our planet. Located in the Arabica Massif on the Western Caucasus in Abkhazia, Georgia, it's a subterranean wonder that plunges to an astonishing depth of over 2,197 meters. Imagine stacking 7 Eiffel Towers on top of each other. That's roughly how deep we're talking. The journey to the bottom of the Krubera is not for the faint-hearted. It's filled with narrow passages, vertical shafts, and sumps that challenge even the most experienced cavers. What makes Krubera Cave particularly fascinating is its unique ecosystem and geological formations. As explorers descend, they encounter a variety of speleothems. These are structures like stalactites and stalagmites formed by mineral deposits. But it's not just about rocky structures, there's life down here too. Biologists have discovered several species of cave-dwelling creatures, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. These include unusual type of arthropods and crustaceans, living in complete darkness, cut off from the surface world for millennia. Number 2. Wot-U-Got Cave. Moving on to the Wot-U-Got Cave, we find ourselves in the same region as Krubera, in the Arabica Massif. This cave is not just another hole in the ground. It's a close contender for the title of the world's deepest cave, with a depth of 2,212 meters. It's like plunging down a 2-kilometer-tall skyscraper underground. The discovery and exploration of Wot-U-Got Cave have been a testament to human curiosity and perseverance. Initially thought to be much shallower, ongoing expeditions have continually pushed the boundaries, revealing its true depth. Inside Wot-U-Got, the experience is otherworldly. Imagine walking through a maze of gigantic halls and narrow corridors, all carved by nature's hand. Water plays a significant role here. The cave's development has been heavily influenced by the flow of underground rivers, creating an intricate network of tunnels and sumps. These watery passages are both a beauty and a challenge, offering a glimpse into a hidden aquifer system. Divers have explored these submerged routes, contributing valuable data to our understanding of subterranean hydrology. Number 3. Lamprechtstoffen Vogelschacht, Weg Schacht. Built in the heart of the Austrian Alps lies Lamprechtstoffen, a cave with a depth of 1,632 meters. It's like stepping into a hidden world beneath the mountains. This cave is known for its extensive network of passages, stretching over a staggering 51 kilometers. It's a labyrinth on a grand scale, with a rich history of exploration and adventure. The cave was once thought to be much shorter, but explorers kept finding new passages, each revealing more secrets of this underground giant. Lamprechtstoffen is not just about size, it's about beauty too. The cave's interior is adorned with stunning formations created over thousands of years. Flowstones, draperies, and crystal-clear pools make it a subterranean paradise for those who dare to venture inside. But there's more than just beauty here. The cave also holds clues to the geological history of the region, with layers of rock telling stories of ancient times. Scientists have found evidence of past seismic events and climate changes locked away in these underground chambers. Number 4. Gouffre Marolda. Gouffre Marolda, located in the French Alps, is a cave that demands respect with its depth of 1,733 meters. It's a vertical journey into the depths of the earth, a challenge that attracts cavers from around the world. Each descent into Gouffre Marolda is like a journey back in time, as you move through layers of rock formed over millions of years. The cave's environment is both majestic and daunting, with huge pits and narrow crevices that lead to its deepest points. The cave's ecosystem is a topic of great interest. Within its depths, scientists have discovered unique microorganisms and fauna that have adapted to the extreme conditions. These include species of spiders and insects that have never been seen in the light of day. Guframerolda is not just a natural wonder, it's a living laboratory, offering insights into the resilience and adaptability of life in the most unexpected places. Number 5. Iluzia Senaha Mezonogo. The Iluzia Senaha Mezonogo system is a true underground maze. Its passages are filled with a variety of geological formations, each more breathtaking than the last. The cave is a treasure trove for geologists and biologists alike, home to rare minerals and unique life forms that have adapted to the darkness. The experience of exploring this cave is akin to being in a different world, where every turn brings a new discovery and a deeper understanding of the Earth's hidden wonders. Number 6. Sarma Cave. Diving into the depths of the Sarma Cave, located in the western Caucasus, we encounter another marvel of nature. With a depth of about 1,830 meters, it's like descending into the heart of a mountain. The cave's environment is a mix of rugged beauty and daunting challenges, with vast chambers and tight squeezes that test the limits of human exploration. With its depths, cavers find a silent world untouched by time, offering a unique glimpse into the geological past of our planet. Number 7. Snezhnaya Cave. Snezhnaya Cave, also in Abkhazia, is renowned for its depth of approximately 1,760 meters. It's a journey into the realm of perpetual darkness and tranquility. The cave's passages are adorned with stunning stalactites and stalagmites, creating a landscape that seems out of a fantasy. Explorers are often struck by the sheer scale of the underground halls, feeling like tiny specks in a vast hidden universe. This cave isn't just a natural wonder, it's a testament to the power and mystery of nature. Number 8. Torre del Corro del Cuevon. In Spain, Torre del Corro del Cuevon presents an awe-inspiring depth of around 1,589 meters. Venturing into this cave feels like stepping into a time capsule, with each layer of rock narrating a story millions of years old. The cave's intricate network of passages and chambers offers a challenging yet mesmerizing experience, revealing the dynamic processes that shape our Earth's interior. Number 9. Jean Bernard System. The Jean Bernard System in the French Alps is not just deep at 1,602 meters, but also rich in history and exploration lore. This cave system is a blend of stunning natural architecture and the spirit of adventure. Its vast chambers and complex passages have been a playground for cavers and scientists alike, each seeking to uncover its secrets and understand the mysteries locked within its depths. Number 10. Wot-U-Got Pot. Rounding off our list is the Wot-U-Got Pot in Australia, with a depth of 1,573 meters. This cave is like a journey into the unknown, offering a mix of excitement and mystery. Its passages are a labyrinth of geological formations, each telling a unique story of the land's ancient past. Explorers here are not just cavers, they are adventurers and storytellers, bringing to light the hidden wonders of the underground world. And there you have it, a journey through the depths of the Earth's most incredible caves. Thanks for exploring with me. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next adventure.